Improving access to resources while preserving and replenishing those resources is what we do at Veolia. Every day, a growing number of industrial facilities and equipment reach their end of life, presenting a considerable challenge in terms of decontamination and rehabilitation. From site closures to equipment dismantling, our complete range of expertise allows us to manage end-of-life in industry efficiently and safely. How and why? At a glance. After studies have been carried out and interventions planned, the dismantling of an offshore platform can begin. The well is plugged and decommissioned. The pipelines are disconnected and the water, energy and air utilities are removed. Any residual traces of fluids and hydrocarbons on the platform are disposed of. Once cleaned, each end of the underwater pipelines is buried. The bridge and the structures are separated, then transported to the onshore disposal site by heavy lift ships. At the dock, the platforms are transferred by rail-mounted trolleys. They can then be moved around the facility for dismantling. The structure and prefabricated units are taken apart, then cut up in line with the most stringent safety standards. Recoverable materials like steel will be recycled. This critical environment expertise is applied equally meticulously to the dismantling of large industrial facilities. Proven wastewater decontamination technologies are used to completely rehabilitate polluted sites, including soil and groundwater remediation. Serious tools are also required for the disposal of heavy transportation equipment. The seats, windows and interior fittings are all removed from planes, industrial and military vehicles and train cars. Asbestos is then removed from the stripped-down carcasses. In a clean room, water is sprayed at high pressure in a closed circuit so it can be reused. There are specialized procedures for handling hazardous materials. Asbestos removal is complicated on ships due to their confined spaces. Inspections are carried out to guarantee that they have been completely decontaminated of asbestos before the dismantling phase. The bridge and the decks are placed on the wharf to be cut up in the appropriate dimensions for the recycling processes. Copper and aluminum are recycled separately as raw materials. Once melted down at the steelworks, the ferrous metals can then be used in new forms. By bringing together all of our areas of expertise, including logistics, recycling, remediation and dismantling, our comprehensive services enable site rehabilitation, guarantee traceability and optimize costs in a circular economy approach.